Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on September 2nd. Battle of Actium, 31 BC. In the seas near western Greece, the Battle of Actium became the final showdown between Octavian and the famous pair, Mark Antony and Cleopatra. Octavian's navy crushed their forces, forcing Antony and Cleopatra to flee. This victory gave Octavian the power he needed to rule Rome alone. Soon after, he became Augustus, the first Roman emperor. The battle marked the end of the Roman Republic and the rise of the mighty Roman Empire. A turning point in ancient history. Great Fire of London begins, 1666. On a quiet night in London, a small spark in a baker's shop on Pudding Lane turned into one of the city's worst disasters. The Great Fire blazed for 4 days, destroying over 13,000 houses and even the Grand St. Paul's Cathedral. Streets, shops, and homes vanished in smoke and flames. Out of the ashes, London had to rebuild itself with stronger rules and safer designs. The tragedy transformed the city forever. A fiery disaster that shaped modern London. U.S. Department of the Treasury established 1789. After gaining independence, the United States needed a strong system to handle its money. On this day, the Department of the Treasury was created to manage taxes, debts, and the nation's funds. Alexander Hamilton became its first secretary, building the country's financial foundation. The department quickly became the backbone of America's economy. It gave the young nation order and stability, a bold step that secured the future of U.S. finances. Japan surrenders, ending World War II, 1945. On this historic day aboard the USS Missouri in Tokyo Bay, Japan officially signed the surrender papers that ended World War II. The moment was marked as Victory over Japan Day, or VJ Day. Across the globe, people celebrated the end of years of war and destruction. It brought relief to millions who had longed for peace. This event reshaped nations, alliances, and the course of world politics. A day when the world finally breathed again. Ho Chi Minh declares Vietnam's independence, 1945, while Japan was surrendering. Another historic moment unfolded in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh, leader of the independence movement, stood before thousands and declared Vietnam free from French colonial rule. He even echoed the words of the American Declaration of Independence, calling for liberty and equality. This marked the birth of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam. It was a bold step toward freedom, but also the start of a long struggle ahead. A day of hope that still echoes in Vietnam's history. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.